The Polymarket Airdrop has finally been announced. Polymarket is a prediction market platform where you can bet on things such as politics, sports, and even crypto. So by utilizing the platform and making trades, you'll be eligible for the upcoming Poly Airdrop. Let's take a look. Polymarket has been teasing the Poly Airdrop on their X account, and the airdrop criteria seems pretty straightforward. It appears the biggest determining factor will be volume and capital. The more trades you place, the bigger your airdrop will be. So the website is polymarket.com. You will need either a crypto wallet such as MetaMask or a credit card to get started. And again, there are a ton of categories you can choose from. I'm in the crypto category and looking at Bitcoin event contracts. So the way this works is this is all based out of a 100% probability. So at the time of filming, will Bitcoin hit 100K or 120K first? So currently the 100K number is trending. That is a 60-cent probability versus the other option, which is 120K, which is roughly a 43% probability. So each contract here would cost you 60 cents. The payout is always $1 per contract. So if you were to place a bet on this contract here, the payout would be a 40% gain. So if you were to buy 1,000 of this contract, the payout would be 1,252. So at the current contract price, $1,000 would net you a profit of 252. So you kind of get the idea. Keep in mind, these contracts are dynamic. They're always updating in real time, and you're always free to sell early. So let's say you start approaching your target price or you're profitable already, you're free to sell early. You don't necessarily have to wait until this number hits for you to lock in your gains. If you're into sports, we do have a sports section. There's NFL, MLB, NBA. And again, you would pick your favorite team. Here we have the Warriors, Bucks. Let's say we predict the Warriors will win. So I would, for example, put 1,000 here. So for a $1,000 bet, that would be a payout of 1,369, roughly a profit of 27%. Kind of get the idea. There's also politics. We have presidential election winner 2028. We have some nominees already in the lead: J.D. Vance, Newsom, AOC, Trump. And if you recall, in the last election in 2024, Polymarket did accurately predict which president would win the race. So it's a pretty straightforward interface. Again, I do recommend the more volume and the more capital you use, the bigger your airdrop. Here on the earnings section, I did bet on this. Will Amazon be quarterly earnings? The outcome was yes. I predicted this correctly, and here are my earnings, and I can claim I'm winning. And if you're new to stock trading, I definitely recommend you run this question through your favorite LLM, such as ChatGPT or even Grok, which would give you a better idea and probability score if earnings will be correct. And I do recommend you also run other questions through your favorite chat box just to get an informed decision of whether you should be placing that trade. So there you have it, a straightforward way in how to use the Polymarket platform. Super bullish on what they are working on, and their smartphone app will be dropping soon. Stay tuned. So what do you think about Polymarket? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to check out my YouTube channel where I have tons of other airdrop tutorials. And as always, if you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.